Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel, where I explore the mysteries of the universe. Today, I'm going to answer a question that many of you have asked me. Why does the moon not rotate? Well, the answer is not as simple as you might think. In fact, the moon does rotate, but in a very special way that makes it seem like it doesn't. Let me explain. First of all, we need to understand what rotation means in astronomy. Rotation is the movement of an object around its own axis, which is an imaginary line that passes through its center. For example, Earth rotates around its axis once every 24 hours, which is why we have day and night. Orbiting or revolving is the movement of an object around another object, such as the moon orbiting around Earth once every 27 days. You can see the difference between rotation and orbiting in this diagram. Now, you might think that the moon rotates around its axis at the same rate as it orbits around Earth, which would mean that we would see different sides of the moon at different times. However, this is not the case. The moon actually rotates around its axis at exactly the same rate as it orbits around Earth, which means that it always shows us the same side. This is called tidal locking, or synchronous rotation. Tidal locking happens when an object is affected by the gravitational pull of another object, which creates a bulge on its surface. This bulge acts like a handle that the other object can tug on, and over time, this slows down the rotation of the first object until it matches its orbit. This is what happened to the moon billions of years ago, when it was much closer to Earth and felt a stronger gravitational pull. You can see how tidal locking works in this animation. But how did the moon get into this situation in the first place? Well, scientists believe that the moon was formed about 4.5 billion years ago, when a planet-sized object called Theia collided with Earth and threw a huge amount of debris into space. Some of this debris coalesced into a large ball that became the moon. The moon was initially spinning very fast and had a different orbit than today, but over time, it gradually moved away from Earth and slowed down its rotation until it became tidally locked. So, there you have it. The moon does not rotate from our perspective because it is tidally locked to Earth, which means that it rotates around its axis at the same rate as it orbits around Earth. This is a result of the moon's formation and evolution over billions of years. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I would love to hear from you. Also, let me know what other topics or questions you would like me to cover in my future videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Smile.